time. This is the the gentleman with the name called Lake. I think the most important thing is the 17 laws of the game as they are, interpreting and applying. That's my understanding, especially from the 11 aside. The 17 laws of the game. But the moment you start putting in your head that this team belongs to this person, this crowd has come is violent, the moment you bring external factors into your decision making, you're going to have a problem. Let us not favor any teams, but let us also not disadvantage any teams. We have seen situations when teams get favored simply because probably they come from people who are supposed to be favored. That is wrong, and you will be sanctioned for it.
Tubadde n'emisinde gye tuyita fitness check ey'abariifiri nga tutegekera okutandika second round ya league. Second round ya league etandika wiiki eno. Tubadde ne batisenta fees 20 n'abavubi b'akatambala 30 be bantu 5. Tubeerayo ne group y'abaana abato abali wansi w'emyaka 25, abaana 15 bwe tujja tuleeta mu system mu league yaffe. Bonna bakoze bulungi era tusuubiza bannayuganda nti tugenda kulamula second round bulungi and the best team will win.